Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 1st of August 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs. Our first question is, which of the following state government has recently become the first state in India to provide 1% reservation for the transgender community in all government services? Answer is option number 4, Karnataka. In a landmark move, Karnataka has become the first state in the country to provide 1% reservation for the transgender community in all the government services. The final notification has been recently issued which specifies 1% reservation in all general as well as reserve category for the third gender in Karnataka. The notification also underlines that there should not be any discrimination to the transgender in the process of selection. So answer will be option number 4, Karnataka. Next, Puri, which has become the first Indian state to achieve a 24-hour drink from tap facility, is located in which of the following state? Answer is option number 3, Odisha. Puri. Puri is a coastal city and a municipality in the state of Odisha. It has recently become the first Indian city to achieve a 24-hour drink from tap facility. This means that the city now has safe drinking water that can be used directly from tap for cooking and drinking without requiring further filtration. So answer will be option number 3, Odisha. Odisha, look at map. This is Odisha. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. Governor is Ganesh Lal. CM is Naveen Patnaik. Its legislature has 147 members. 21 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 10 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Odisha. It borders with West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh, and Mahanadi is the main river of Odisha. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as Global Tiger Day annually? Answer is option number 4, 29th July. Global Tiger Day or International Tiger Day is celebrated on 29th of July every year since 2010. Since 2010, when it was created at the St. Petersburg Tiger Summit, it is celebrated to raise awareness of the decline of world tiger numbers, leaving them on the brink of extinction, and to encourage the celebration around the important work of tiger conservation. So answer will be option number 4. And in 2021, this day has been celebrated under the theme their survival is in our hand, their survival is in our hand is the theme of 2021's Global Tiger Day, which has been recently celebrated on 29th of July 2021. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Hepatitis Day annually? Answer is option number 3, 28th July. Every year 28th July is celebrated as World Hepatitis Day. Hepatitis is inflammation of the liver issue. Hepatitis is most commonly caused by the viruses hepatitis A, B, C, D, and E. Other causes include heavy alcohol use, certain medications, toxins, other infections, and autoimmune disease. And to raise awareness of the hepatitis and inflammation of the liver that causes severe liver diseases and hepatocellular cancer, every year 28th July is celebrated as World Hepatitis Day. This year it has been celebrated under the theme Hepatitis Can't Wait. Hepatitis Can't Wait is the theme of 2021 World Hepatitis Day. So answer will be option number 3. Next, what will be India GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by IMF? Answer is option number 3, 9.5%. What is IMF? IMF long form is International Monetary Fund. It was formed on 27th of December 1945. Headquarters is in Washington DC. Currently, Kristalina Georgieva is the MD, Managing Director of IMF, and Geeta Gopinath from India is the Chief Economist of IMF. And this IMF has recently cut its economic growth forecast for India to 9.5% for the fiscal year 2021-22 as the outset of the severe second COVID-19 wave cut into recovery momentum. So answer will be option number 3, 9.5%. Next, Sanjeev Sahota, who is seen in news recently, is a dash. Answer is option number 4, writer. Look at the image. This is Sanjeev Sahota. He is a Indian origin British novelist whose first novel, Ours Are the Street, was published in January 2011, and whose second novel, The Year of the Runaways, was shortlisted for 2015 Man Booker Prize and was awarded a European Union Prize for Literature in 2017. And This Sanjeev Sahota is seen in news recently because he is among the 13 authors longlisted for the prestigious 2021's Booker Prize for Fiction for his novel China Room, and the prize called Booker Prize for Fiction, Booker Prize for Fiction is a literary prize awarded every year to the best novel written in English language which is published in UK or Ireland. It is a highest profile literary prize and thus it is much anticipated among the book lovers. It was established in 1969 and reward of €50,000 is awarded to the winner of this award. In 2020, this award has been given to Douglas Stewart's for his novel Suji Ben. Answer will be option number 4, writer. Next, who among the following has been recently appointed as the 23rd Chief Minister of Karnataka? Answer is option number 1, Basavaraj Bommai. Look at the image. This is Basavaraj Bommai, and after resignation of B.S. Yedurappa as the CM of Karnataka, Basavaraj Bommai has been appointed as the 23rd Chief Minister of Karnataka. So answer will be option number 4, Karnataka. N. Rangaswamy is the Chief Minister of Puducherry. Pushkar Singh Dhami is the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, and M.K. Stalin is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Next, on 27th of July 2021, CRPF has celebrated its Dash Foundation Day. Answer is option number 183rd. What is CRPF? Long form of CRPF is the Central Reserve Police Force. It is India's largest central armed police force. It functions under the authority of the Ministry of Home Affairs of the Government of India, and the primary role of the CRPF is to assist the state and union territory in the police operations to maintain law and order and counter insurgency. It was founded on 27th of July 1939. Its headquarters is located in New Delhi, and currently Kuldeep Singh is the Director General of the CRPF, and on 27th of July 2021, the CRPF has recently celebrated its 83rd Foundation Day. So answer will be option number 1. Next, who is the author of the book titled An Ordinary Life, Portrait of an Indian Generation? Answer is option number 1, Ashok Lavasa. Look at the image. This is Ashok Lavasa. He is working as the vice president of ADB, that is Asian Development Bank, and he has written the book titled An Ordinary Life, Portrait of an Indian Generation. So answer will be option number 1, Ashok Lavasa. Ashok Lavasa is the author of the book titled An Ordinary Life, Portrait of an Indian Generation. Indra 2021 is a bilateral military exercise between India and which of the following country? Answer is option number 2, Russia. Indra is a bilateral exercise between the militaries of India and Russia. It was started in 2003. And it was started with the aim to enhance the interoperability of the Indian and Russian navies. The last edition of this Indra was held in 2020. It was the 11th edition of this Indra exercise, and it was held in Bay of Bengal in September 2020, and now in 2021 it is the 12th edition of this exercise, and it is being organized from 1st to 13th of August 2021 in Russia. So answer will be Indra is a bilateral military exercise between India and Russia. Answer will be option number 2, Russia. This is Russia. Capital is Moscow. President is Vladimir Putin, and currency is Russian ruble. Next, Pramod Bhagat is related to which of the following sports? Answer is option number 4, para badminton. Look at the image. This is Pramod Bhagat. He is an Indian para badminton player, and he is seen in news recently because he has recently been awarded in Indian Sports Award 2019 with Differently Abled Sportsperson of the Year 2019. That's the reason he is seen in news recently. Answer will be option number 3, para badminton. Also remember that Pramod Bhagat has been awarded with Arjun Award in 2019, with Biju Patnaik Sports Award in 2019 by Odisha government. He is currently the world #1 para badminton player, and he was also nominated for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2021 by Odisha government. Next, What will be India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by CARE Ratings? CARE Ratings is an Indian credit rating agency. It was founded in 1993, and recently this CARE Ratings has predicted that India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year will be 8.8% to 9%. So answer will be option number 2, 8.8 to 9%. Next, who among the following has recently won a gold medal at the World Wrestling Championship, which was held in Budapest, Hungary in July 2021? Answer is option number 4, Priya Malik. Look at the image. This is Priya Malik. This is Priya Malik, and recently won a gold medal at World Wrestling Championship, which has been recently held in Budapest in Hungary in July 2021. Next, which of the following country has recently announced to create its own social media platform styled Jog as an alternative to social media site Facebook? Answer is option number 1, Bangladesh. Recently, Bangladesh has announced to create its own social media platform styled or called Jog as an alternative to social media site Facebook, and also Alapan is a platform which has been announced by Bangladesh government as a platform to provide alternative to WhatsApp. So answer will be option number 1, Bangladesh. Bangladesh, look at the map. This is Bangladesh. Its capital is Dhaka. President is Abdul Hamid. PM is Sheikh Hasina. And currency is Taka. Next, which of the following country will host the Environment Ministerial Meeting of G20 in October 2021? What is G20? G20, or also called Group of 20, is an intergovernmental forum comprising 19 countries and the European Union. It works to address major issues related to the global economy, such as international financial stability, climate change mitigation, and sustainable development. It was founded in 1999 in response to several world economic crises. Currently, chairman is Mario Draghi, and Environment Ministerial Meeting of the G20 will be held in October 2021 in Italy. So answer will be option number 4, Italy. Italy, look at map. This is Italy. Its capital is Rome. President is Sergio Mattarella, and currency is euro. Next, what will be world economic growth rate in the year 2021 as predicted by IMF? Answer is option number 2, 6% as predicted by IMF, that is International Monetary Fund. World economic growth in the year 2021 will be 6%. Now we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, which of the following institute has recently developed a first of its kind oxygen rationing device called AMLEX? Answer is option number 4, IIT Ropar. Next, Sandesh Jingan is associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 1, football. Who among the following has been recently appointed as the president of NHAI, that is National Highways Authority of India? Answer is option number 4, Armane Giridhar. Fourth question was, the Indian Navy has signed a MOU with which of the following bank for salary accounts of all its personnel, both serving and retired? Answer is option number 2, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Next, DRDO has recently conducted the second consecutive successful test of the new variant of Akash Yanji missile. Akash Yanji is a dash missile. It is a surface to air missile. Next question was, which of the following day is celebrated as National Broadcasting Day? Answer is option number 2, 23rd July. Mirabai Chanu is associated with which of the following sports? She is associated with weightlifting. Answer is option number 3. Which of the following country has recently successfully tested a new Zircon hypersonic cruise missile? Answer is option number 2, Russia. Samir Banerjee, who is seen in news recently, is associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 4, football. ICC has recently included Mongolia, Switzerland, and Dash as its new members countries at the ICC's 78th annual general meeting. Answer is option number 1, Tajikistan. 12th question was, what will be India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by ADB, that is Asian Development Bank? Answer is option number 2, 10%. DRDO has recently flight tested indigenously developed low weight MPA TGM missile. The first M in MPA TGM stand for dash. Answer is option number 3, man. Long form of MPA TGM is man portable anti-tank guided missile. And this was the question asked to you in the last video. Question was, India has ranked dash in the global startup ecosystem index 2021. Answer is option number 1, 10th. India has ranked at 10th in the global startup ecosystem index 2021. Now today's question is, which of the following bank has recently launched India's most comprehensive banking solution for medical doctors titled Salute Doctors? Options are HDFC Bank, State Bank of India, ICICI Bank and Axis Bank. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.